college student from Yogyakarta. If you want to know more about me, just watch till the end because I will present you my story. And this is my personal branding. I was born 19 years ago at May 2001 in Bantul, Yogyakarta. I am the first child of two siblings. My sister is still in junior high school. Now, I'm a student majoring public sector accounting in Gadjah Mada University. Being a Gadjah Mada University student is a source of pride for me because Gadjah Mada University is one of the best university in Indonesia. When I was in elementary school, I studied at SD Negeri Bintaran. Nothing special from my school days. I used to get up early, then go to school and extracurricular. After that, come home in the afternoon. If there is no extracurricular, I usually go out with my friends. When I was in junior high school, I studied at First Piungan State Junior High School. At that time, my junior high school was a pilot school with international standards. The process of getting to school there is also quite long. Since the fourth grade of elementary school, I was given a target by my parents to be able to enter this school. So at that time, I was trying hard to be able to get high scores on the national exam and studying extra for English exam too. However, when it approached junior high school registration, it turned out that the English exam was eliminated, so I have to be extra focused on the national exam. When I passed the selection for new student admission, I was very excited. During the 3 years I studied here, I gained a lot of knowledge and experience. I have attended an English conversation class in 7th grade junior high school, and I have also attended a preparation TOEFL class in 8th grade junior high school. When I was senior high school, I studied at 2nd Bantul State Senior High School. At first, I was not interested in going to school there, but as time went by, I felt comfortable and proud to be go to school there. I don't want to waste 3 years of schooling for nothing. Therefore, I tried my best while in school. I joining several organizations and extracurricular activities. Now, I'm studying Public Sector Accounting, Department of Economics and Business, Vocational School, Gadjah Mada University. Actually, before I was accepted as a student at Gadjah Mada University, I was accepted at Yogyakarta State University through the Academic Achievement Pathway with the same major, namely accounting. When I decided to study at Gadjah Mada University, I had to be prepared for whatever consequence I would have. I should try to use the time in 4 years or maybe less than 4 years for activities that are useful for the future. The struggle to qualify for the dream college is tough, one of which is participate in tutoring after school. I have joined the Youth Red Cross organization while in senior high school. I have learned many things here. In addition, during my time with this organization, I participate in several Youth Red Cross competitions. The experience when participating in the race is truly amazing. I practice competition in the PME office with other friends from school, afternoon until evening, learn to handle accident case, learn health science, and others. Besides that, togetherness with the teams participating in the competition was really well established. However, our team never won that competition, usually only up to the semifinals. Maybe it's because our team isn't ready yet. I have joined the Scout Movement organization while in senior high school. At that time, I was one of the organizers of this organization. I learned a lot about communication, cooperation, and responsibility. This is great for practice of skills. As long as I joined the Scout Movement organization, I along with other members had handled 5 successfully scouting events. When I joined this organization, the thing I liked the most was exploring nature. I have participated in camping with other members several times, both official event from the school and event for members intimacy. The most exciting camping experience is in the Kaliurang area and the Sermo Reservoir. The fresh air is truly pleasing the heart, especially when there is a campfire at night. It is one of the activities that I love. The warmth from the flames burning in the cold night made the body calm. I was joined UGM Kopma Cooperative since November 2020. At Kopma, I joined the management education team. At that team, I serve as secretary. I recently joined KMTEB, This is an organization of student association in the Department of Economics and Business, Vocational Schools, Gadjah Mada University. In this organization, I serve as second secretary in charge of assisting the first secretary in carrying out her program. My experience and skills that I have: first of all, I was joined English conversation class and preparation TOEFL class in junior high school. Next, I was joined English learning conversation in senior high school. Joining this class is so much fun. Once a week, I participate in this class. As a final test in this class, students were given a challenge to chat with foreign tourists. With my classmates, I was performed for one of the events in my school, namely Expert or Exco Performing Art. We were also performed for Kebiar Budaya event in my school. We are performed traditional musical drama. All classmates have their respective roles. Some are in the music team such as gamelan, some are dancer, some are drama player as actor, and some are singing. As a result, we won this competition. Besides that, I am an active member of CMA Certified Management Accountant Australia. Since 2020, I have joined as a member CMA. I also have several e-certified from webinar. Apart from the things that I have been described, I'm also able to operate computer program, especially Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel. I could use website, YouTube, Drive, and other social media. I am also able to digital marketing as well, because I also joined digital marketing class for this semester. This class is handled by Digimind. In addition, I studied design in senior high school using CorelDRAW or SketchUp application. Even though my design is far from perfect, I am proud to be able to use this app, because not everyone can use it. I have to learn more about design. Three words that can describe me are independent, disciplined, and also responsible. Alright, I think it's all about me, so what's I gonna do next? Actually, I will improve my skill by joining more organization or committee, keep everything stay on the track, work hard, study hard, and also play hard. My last statement is, sometimes life doesn't give you what you want, not because you don't deserve it, but because you deserve so much more. Thank you for watching.